So at the moment when I'm printing, as you can see, the printing head is not aligned, so the pictures are not aligned. This is in black and white, and the text is not aligned, and this is even after doing the alignment automatic and manual. So there's some kind of bigger problem. So right, let's have a look at that. Hi guys, today we're looking at a Canon printer again. This time it's a MX395, and this printer prints as if the printing head is not aligned. So there must be some technical issues with it. Even though I tried the printing head alignment, it still doesn't print properly, and the text is a bit out of shape. So if you done printing head alignment, and for example you done even printing head alignment manually, and you still have a problem, you have to think there is something mechanical that's causing this problem. And what I usually do in this printer, if we open the printer up, this type has two cartridges, which are the cheaper versions. And what I will do, I will try to see if the color cartridge has the same problem as black cartridge. So I will switch off by the software the color printing head, and then I will print just in black, and I will print in then I will print in color and see if the same is happening. And if it does, and for example in this I have a new cartridge, so I'm quite sure there is something mechanical, and I'm gonna show you where to look for to try to find the cause of it. Now we are still looking inside of the printer, and I hope you will see it properly. I try to zoom in at the problem area, let's say like that. So if you look here, you have this band. This band is for the printing head to find itself where it is. So right, I zoomed in here, and this sort of tape which you see here, it's a plastic tape with black stripes on it, and those black stripes are very close together. You can barely see them on the video, and they are guiding the printing head. So the printing head has a laser and knows exactly by counting the stripes where it is. Now if you can see closely, this is dirty, and I have more of those, like here, and if I look farther and farther, I still can see there's some dirt. And what this is causing is the printer cannot find itself by this dirt, so we have to clean it. And in this situation, I don't think I need to open the printer completely up. I'll just clean it with some soft, I would say handkerchief, some cotton handkerchief, for example, with a little bit of soap. I will not use any alcohol, any aggressive cleaning substance like based on spiritus or whatever. And let's see if after this it will work. Alright, so if you clean the tape, watch that this tape doesn't touch this metal here, because it's sharp, it could damage it even more, and then you really need to replace it. Now I clean it from two sides, from the front and from the back. Now it's not easy to put your fingers there on, so in the case that your hands will not fit, you'll actually have to open this up. But I'm trying in this case to do it without opening up because it costs so much time. So in this case I'm almost done. The tape looks quite clean. As you can see, it's quite difficult to really clean it because there's such a limited space here. But with a little bit patience you can do it. And should it be really not suited for your hands, then you just need to open it up, and then the cleaning will be much more easier. Obviously the reassembling and this assembly of this printer is costly. Right. And so once I clean this with the soap and water, I will just dry the tape with a handkerchief again to make it sure it's nice and dry. I'm doing this with paper handkerchief, but I would recommend with cotton because it's softer. The paper is more sharp, and just like with cleaning monitors, you should always use cotton, never paper, because it's made out of wood and it's sharper and it scratches. So right. I'm cleaning it from both sides to be sure that from both sides there is no dirt. And it's really tricky because my hand almost doesn't fit there, and you can get the paper also dirty on the metal piece, which has the grease for that, so the printing head can move. So now if you look closer, even though maybe on camera it's not so visible, everything looks a little bit more clean. What I will do, I will run a test, see if it's working, and then I'll put some grease back on here because I wiped it out while I was cleaning this one. So I'll run a test without it, but you have to put some grease back if you don't want to break your printing head or the basket where the printing head is moving on. Alright, let's make a test. I will first let it align again and see if this will help.